What about a little creek like this? There are no fish. Do trees matter?
That's a really good question, and a lot of people think that way. But you know what? In all my years as a biologist, I've learned one thing, and that's water runs downhill. So whatever goes into the small stream that runs through your backyard ends up in the river where the fish live. So it's really important that we not only protect our big salmon rivers, but the tiny streams that flow into them. If we cut the trees off beside the little streams, they'll warm up, they'll get more sediment. All that ends up where the salmon live. So we really have to keep that in mind, that just because we don't see a 30-pound salmon in that little stream, it doesn't mean it's not important to fish.
You said the fish and trees are in balance. Do trees need fish too?
Absolutely. Streamside trees and shrubs get almost 80% of their nitrogen from rotting fish. In the fall, when the salmon are spawning, the bears and the eagles and the gulls and other wildlife will pull the fish carcasses out of the river and eat their favorite parts, leaving the rest of the fish behind to rot, where it provides the nutrients for the trees to grow almost 3 times faster. And the bigger the tree, the better for fish habitat. Because fish need forests, the fish also help to keep the forest healthy. Everything is connected.
I've watched big salmon spawn in gravel. Isn't it good for fish habitat to have gravel wash downstream?
Erosion and sedimentation are natural processes to the river. What's unnatural is the scale. Huge winter flows, very flashy systems that mobilize a lot of material. We've had a lot of high flood events. It just picks up a lot of material and trucks it down the system. All of those issues start at the top of our watershed. What's more difficult today is trying to define or build some resilience in that balance, because most of the trees we have in our system are so young. We need some stability in the upper end of the system.